Hello and welcome to another Microsoft Excel spreadsheet for accounting tutorial. We're going to today be creating a template for a balance sheet in report form. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a sheet, and I'm going to call it balance sheet hyphen report form. And I'll be just dropping back and forth so I can figure out exactly what I need. First of all, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 rows where you need 4 columns merged. So I'm going to highlight this one, and I'm going to merge and center. Company name. 4 columns. Merge and center. Balance sheet. 4 columns. Merge and center. Date. 4 columns. Merge and center. Assets. And all of those should be bolded. Then I've got all my asset accounts followed by total assets. I'm just going to take these, Control C, but you'll have to type them in. You can pause the video at this point, Control V. Now again, you'll notice it doesn't fit, so auto fit, go between the A and the B and double click, and pause the video at this point, and you can type these in. Now we're going to work on the liabilities and owner's equity section. I'm going to leave one blank in case I have to add more assets. So I'm going to merge and center 4 columns again. And this one should be bolded. And then I've got then we'll start off with a section that is just liabilities. Again, I'll bold that one. And then I can go in here and I'll take all the sections, including Control C, including the total liabilities, and I'll paste that. And then I'm going to go over here. Now I'm going to take the owner's equity, and I'll leave a blank one in case I need more rows. I can always add them at a later date. And then I'm going to go leave one space. I'm going to go Control C and Control V. And then I'm going to put in, just so you know what columns things need to go in. I'm probably going to spread this out a little bit because you'll need money to go in there. But I'm going to insert some comments in here, in this one, and this one, because that'll tell you where the money signs should go in one of the 3. There's only a few that go in this one. So I'm going to go in here, and I'm going to look at this comment, and I'm going to go right click, edit comment, and then go Control C. Now you'll have to just go right click, insert comment, and you'll have to type it. Remember, the comments must have your name on it. Drawings and increase capital only. So only this one, and this one go in this one. Sorry, this one and this one go in here, in this column. That's it. Then we're going to go to this one, and I'm going to go edit comment, and I'm going to copy that, Control C. You, of course, will just be doing this, right click, insert comment, and you'll type main column. So the main numbers go in here. And then this is the total section. I'll just make sure that's exactly what I had. So it's the totals column, and all the totals are followed by a double underline, so I think I'll add that on there as well. So right click, insert comment, and the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a comment up here, and I'm going to say example is page 87 in the textbook. So then you can see exactly where it's supposed to be underlined and not underlined. Now, in the main column, so every single one of these three, the cells should be formatted to accounting. And no $. And same with these. Right click, format cells, accounting, none. And then these, like, now everything in the totals column, I believe, is supposed to be format cells, accounting, with the $. Whereas everything else is supposed to be, except for the first two are supposed to have a $. So I'm going to format cells. And the first one in this line is also supposed to have a $. And that is how you make a balance sheet in report form template. Make sure it's saved in your templates.xl. If you didn't have that already, save it as. Thanks for watching.